In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Yoast SEO to rankmath. Before making any changes to your SEO setup, the first thing you should do is create a fresh, complete backup of your WordPress database and files. This is an important safety step because SEO plugins store critical metadata like titles, descriptions, and other optimization settings. If anything goes wrong during the transition, having a full backup gives you a reliable way to restore your site. Once your backup is complete, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins, then add new. This is where you can install new tools for your website. In the search bar, look for rankmath SEO. When you find it, click install now and then click activate. After activation, rankmath will automatically launch its setup wizard, which helps guide you through the initial configuration. As the setup wizard opens, connect your free rankmath account and choose the advanced setup mode. This option gives you more control over the plugin settings and is usually the better choice if you want a more complete migration and a clearer view of your SEO configuration. During the setup process, rankmath should detect that Yoast SEO is already installed on your site. When it prompts you to import your existing settings, go ahead and continue. This is the key part of the transition because it allows rankmath to bring over your SEO data rather than making you recreate everything manually. Next, import your Yoast data. This includes the metadata and settings that were previously managed by Yoast. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a moment, so give it time to complete fully. If you already set up rankmath earlier and skipped the import during the wizard, you can still do it manually. In your WordPress dashboard, go to rankmath SEO, then status and tools, and then import and export. From there, find the Yoast SEO tab and click import. This gives you another way to transfer your data without restarting the whole setup. After the import is finished, open a few posts and pages in the WordPress editor. Check that the rankmath SEO meta box is populated with your focus keywords, titles, and meta descriptions. This quick review helps confirm that the migration worked properly and that your important SEO details are still in place. Once you're confident that everything has transferred correctly and your data is safe, go back to your plugins page and deactivate Yoast SEO. At this stage, do not delete it yet. It's better to leave it inactive temporarily until you are fully satisfied that rankmath is handling everything correctly. Finally, complete the Yoast cleanup by keeping it deactivated while you confirm your site is running smoothly under rankmath. This careful approach helps avoid accidental data loss and makes the switch much safer and more controlled.